Hello, everyone. Today's topic, I'm going to talk to you about our homeowners inspections that happen after the policy issuance. Many of your clients are accustomed to having that inspection that happens prior to the purchase of the house, but what we're finding more and more frequently is that our insurance companies are ordering inspections after the fact. And the reason that they're doing this is in order to foremost ensure that the home is insured for the correct value, but they're also looking to be sure that there is no concerns around the property as to the conditions of the roof or any vegetation around the homes. And so I wanted to share with you today a little bit about what should your client be expecting to happen after a inspection request comes through. So typically the insurance company orders the inspection at their expense, and they're going to reach out to your client by email or phone and professionally schedule an appointment at your client's convenience in order to come out and do an exterior inspection of the home. Now, homes that are of higher value, like 2 million and above in replacement costs, they could expect to have an interior inspection as well. But again, this is done by professional companies such as Mueller or Castle, and they're out to just ensure that the home is adequately insured and that there aren't any concerns. And another thing is for loss prevention. They're also looking to see, is there enough clearing around the home? Are there any items around the home that could create an underwriting hazard? So again, your client can expect to receive a call. They can expect to receive a report after the inspection in outlining what the inspector's views were of the home and the insurable value of the home, and also give you any recommendations as to what might need to be taken care of in order to prevent any further loss prevention. So remember that your insurance advisor is your advocate in this regard too. So if there are any questions that come up as a result of that inspection request or the results of the inspection, please advise your clients that they should be reaching out to their insurance advisor to guide them through this process. I hope that this has been a help for you. Thank you once again.